Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be unboxing and installing the Autologue Designs RCX2 bubble visor. So let's start with the unboxing. So this is the RCX2 double visor. This is available in matte black and gloss black. I have purchased the gloss black variant. So guys, in order to take out the fairing, we will be requiring the 4 number and 5 number Allen key. Also there are 3 push plugs over here inside the fairing. Those we'll have to push it and take it out. Then the fairing will come out. Now let's do the same thing with the other side. Removing this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th bolts. So now as the fairings are out, now it's the time to remove the mirrors and the visor. Both will be taken off by using the same 4 and 5 number Allen keys.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down.